you all are ready. I hope you all are listening the offline classes very carefully. Ahead there is a essay one exam will be there. This is last chapter to be discussed. This is last unit at the vegetable shop. At the vegetable shop. Actually, what we do at the vegetable shop? Obviously, we buy vegetables. What we do in the market? If it is fish market, we buy fish. If it is vegetable market, we buy vegetables. Next, what we do in hospital? If you go to hospital, to whom we will meet? We will meet doctor, and we take medicines. If we go to medical store. See here at the vegetable shop, pre-reading, look at the following picture and answer the questions. See here, one lady is cutting the vegetable. What is that vegetable name? That is lady's fingers and brinjals, onions. She is going to cut these vegetables. What is the woman doing? She is cutting the vegetables. Tell the name of vegetable shown in the picture. Lady fingers and brinjal onions. Why should we eat vegetables? To get proteins and vitamins, fiber. What curry did you take last evening? Last evening, what curry did you take? Which curry you have? You have eaten that curry name, and you have to write in fourth question beside answer. Do you eat the same kind of vegetable every day? It is not possible. It is not possible. We cannot say impossible. It is not possible. 2 days at least we can eat the same curry or same curry. We can eat, but more than 2 days we feel bored. We hardly take that curry next day, third day. Which vegetable do you like most? Why? Which vegetable do you like most? Which curry do you like? Most of the people like brinjal, and some people don't like the brinjal. Different people have different tastes, different opinions, different. They have some people like brinjal, some people like potato, some people like what is that curry, ridge gourd and water gourd. See here, some people like bitter gourds also. At the vegetable shop, Ramu's mother is busy at home. Whose mother is busy? Ramu's mother is busy at home. She sends him to buy vegetables. She sends him to buy vegetables. See here, she sends him. She sends him. Which tense is this? Which tense is this? Simple present. Simple present tense. She sends. She means here mother. She means here mother, and him means what is his name? Ramu. Mother sends Ramu to buy vegetables. Mother sends Ramu. Suppose, what is the structure of simple present tense? Simple present tense structure is subject. This is subject. Subject sometimes V1 and sometimes V5 plus object. This is the structure of simple present tense. What is sends here? Sends here V5 form and him is object. This is the structure of simple present tense. Simple present tense. This is in statement. This is statement. This statements active voice. This is active voice because the doer of the action is placed first. here. Who is doing work? She sends him. She sends him to buy some vegetables. This is active voice. When you change active voice into passive voice, what is the first step? The first step is him. You have to bring first. Him. He changes into him. Here him changes into he. He. This is which tense? Present tense. What are the present tense helping verbs? What are the present tense helping verbs? Is, am, and are. Is, am, and are. Is, am, and are. These are the present tense helping verbs. This is he. What will come after he? Am, is, are. Obviously, he is sent. What is sent? V3 form. Sent is V3 form. V3 form you have to write after helping verb, present tense helping. He is sent. Sent after what? You have which preposition we have to use? By preposition we have to use. Here she changed into her. She changed into her. This is passive voice. See, object comes in place of subject, but here he is not the doer of the action. It is kept in place of subject. He is in passive voice. He is not the subject. He is not the subject. See, he is sent by her. He is sent by her. Her means here mother. Ramu is sent by mother. Sent by his mother or sent by mother. This is simple present tense. This is simple present tense changes into passive voice. She sends him to buy vegetables. Ramu goes to a vegetable shop. Ramu goes to a vegetable. Simple present tense. He gives introduction in simple present tense. Vegetable shop with a bag in his hand. There is a bag in his hand. He went to vegetable shop. Why did Ramu go to vegetable shop? Because Ramu's mother is busy at home. Vendor, the person who is selling seller, the person who is selling vegetables, we can call him vendor. See, hi Ramu, you have come alone today. Every day he may go to his mother, along with his mother, but today he goes to the vegetable shop alone. Ram, hi uncle, my mother is very busy now. Hi uncle, my mother is very busy now. My mother is busy at home. My aunt's family is coming. So she has sent me here. So she has sent me. That is another tense. You should underline the tenses. First you should know the tenses. See children, next 12 tenses if you identify in every lesson, you could automatically change into passive voice if you know the structures. Next, see, she has sent me here. She has and mother has sent me. Mother has sent Ramu to vegetable shop. Vendor, what do you like to buy today? What do you like to buy? Which vegetable do you like to buy today, Ramu? My mother asked me to buy more vegetable today. My mother asked me to buy more vegetable because my aunt's family is coming to my house. Vendor, well, pick the vegetables you want to buy. Take some vegetable. Take your vegetables you want to buy. Vendor, well, pick some vegetable you want to buy. Ramu looks at the vegetable and listens to them speaking. The vegetables are speaking. Speaking to whom? Speaking to Ramu. Carrot. Now carrot is speaking. Buy me. Please buy me. You can eat me raw or cooked. You can eat raw as it is after washing in hand. You can buy. You can eat at the same time. You can cook. You can cook also after cooking. Also you can eat by raw. Also you can eat. You can prepare a curry or sambar. I will keep your eyes sparkling. If you eat carrots every day, if you eat carrot curry, your eyes will be sparkling. Your eyes will be sparkling. Your eyes will be bright. Spinach. Hey, look at me. I give you a lot of iron content. You will be robust if you eat me. See, here me robust means strong and healthy. If you eat spinach, you will be strong and healthy. Hey, look at me. I give you a lot of iron content. If you eat spinach, you will get lot of iron content. Most of the students in 5th class, when you are in 5th class, you are not interested to eat curries and carrot curries, and your parents kept with curries, but most of the children they left their curry in the box. They were wasting their curry when you were in 5th class. You were not interested to eat curries. Curries gives us energy. Curries gives us energy, and food is also gives us energy. Most of the students not even eat food also. See, these are the things. If you eat it, you will get carrot makes your eye spark and bright, and spinach have iron content, and now brinjal. Hi Ram, try me. I am the queen of vegetable. I am. Why does the brinjal is queen of the vegetables? See, I have a crown on my head. Yes, I have. It has a crown on his head. That's why it is queen of the brinjal. Even poets wrote poems and songs on my taste. Brinjal taste. Poets also wrote poems and songs also. Potato Ramu, why don't you buy me? People across the world prefer to eat me. Most of the people prefer to eat me in occasions also. In occasions, they prefer to prepare curry with potatoes. I have fiber, potassium, and vitamins that keep you strong. Fiber is there in potato, and vitamins also there, potassium also there. These more contents are in me. Please buy and eat, and so you will become healthy. Pumpkin, look at me. I am very sweet. Though I am fat and round, I keep you thick. You become strong if you eat me. Who said? Pumpkin said. Curry leaves. Oh, don't forget us. You need us in all spicy foods and chutneys. I gave aroma to your dish. Aroma means here pleasant smell. If you add in your dish will become good. Your dish become tasty. Whenever you prepare spicy food, I keep your eyes and hair healthy. If you eat me, don't take it out these curry leaves while you are eating. Eat me, your eyes and your hair will be healthy. Ram, how shall I pay? How shall I buy all these vegetables? Mother gave me only 80 rupees. Mother gave him means him refers to Ramu. Mother gave to Ramu only 80 rupees. Can I carry this pumpkin home? Let me see. Suddenly Ramu sees a purse among the pumpkins. He he wanted to take pumpkin. While he is seeing the pumpkin, he found purse, a purse. He found a purse. Uncle, I found a purse here. Whose purse is this? Whose purse is this? He asked. Ramu asked the vendor. Oh, it is my purse. Perhaps it slipped from my pocket while unloading them from the bullock cart. Thank you, Ramu, he said. Who said? Ramu said. While I was unloading these vegetables, my purse fall down in the pumpkin. Thank you, Ramu, he said. Ramu, is everything okay, uncle? That means everything is there in the purse, or anything he missed? Vendor, thank God, my purse is intact, means undamaged. It is not damaged. Undamaged means it is not damaged. I got my ATM card and money back. He got his ATM by mistake. That purse fell down on the pumpkin. Ramu went. If other person goes there, immediately he or she may keep that purse in their pocket and they go to home silently. Many people come. He could not ask his purse to everyone. Sometimes unknown persons also go to that shop and they buy and they go. To whom he will ask? So Ramu is very genuine boy, good boy. That's why honest boy. He gave that purse to Ramu without expecting anything. See, okay, Ramu, uncle, I want to buy all kinds of vegetables, but I don't have enough money. Who said? Ramu said. Ramu wanted to buy more vegetable, but was given only less money by his mother. Give me 1 kg of brinjal, half kg of potato and some curry leaves, he said. Enough money. He asked 1 kg of brinjal and half kg of potatoes and some curry leaves, he asked. Vendor, Ramu, take whatever you want. You need not pay for the vegetable you buy today. Whatever you want to buy, you buy. You don't need to pay any money today because you helped me finding my purse. If there is another person found this purse, I would not get my purse back. Ramu, take whatever you want. You need to pay. You need not to pay for the vegetable you buy today. Ramu, thank you, uncle. Then I will buy half a kg each of all the vegetables. He had collected every vegetable half kg. Vendor, do you need a polythene bag? Asked the vendor. The person who is selling vegetable. He asked the Ramu polythene bag to carry the vegetables. Ramu, no uncle, I never use polythene bags. Bags. I always carry a jute bag with me. Wherever I go, if my mother asks me to go to vegetable shop or some other shops, immediately I take the jute bag to carry the luggage, carry the load. Ramu, that's good, Ramu. Oh, it's 9 o'clock. It is getting late. My mother is waiting for me. Bye, uncle, he said. Who said? Ramu said. Vendor, see you tomorrow. Said Ramu said. Vendor said, see you tomorrow. We will meet tomorrow, he said. This is the lesson at the vegetable shop. After completing this lesson, what did you understand? What good things are there? What values are there in this lesson? You should not use polythene bags. You have to use only jute bags. At the same time, whatever your parents say to you, you should do that work. You should not say no. Wherever they want to send you to bring something, you should help to your parents. You should not say no. If you find other things, others remaining, others things, you should give those things to that person, that particular person. You should ask first whose purse is it. Then if you confirm that that purse belongs to them, you can give that purse to that particular person. These three things you have to develop in your life. Polythene bag you should not use. You should give things. If you found others, you should give them, and you should listen your parent words. Now coming to page number 17. Match the following, that is your task, and put the following sentence in order of events. Those sentences are in jumbled. You have to keep them in order. Answer these following questions. I will send through WhatsApp. And page number 71, vocabulary, classify the vegetables given, refer to a dictionary for help. If you want help, refer dictionary. Snake gourd, beetroot, okra and capsicum, tomato, chili, potato, radish, carrot, onion, cucumber, pumpkin, bottle gourd, ridge gourd and brinjal. These all varieties of vegetables are there. In the ground, which vegetables comes from the ground? On creepers. What are the creepers? On small plants. What are those? You have to write in the 3 columns. Next, find the names of fruits from the grid given below and draw a box around them. If you find apple, APPLE, you have to draw one lines, circle you have to draw. Write the name of any 4 fruits you identified in the grid. Down 4 blanks space, 4 blanks are there. You have to write at least 4 fruits names. Next, page number 72, children. Very important. We discussed this grammar topic before, and we did not discuss textbook part, which I have discussed related to this topic. But textbook we didn't discuss. Read the following paragraph. Last evening I went to my friend Ravi's house. Ravi's father was this is completed. I think this is completed. Next, this is completed. See here, page number 74. Page number 74. Read the following pairs of sentence. See, Rajni drew the picture. Active voice. The picture was drawn by Rajni, that is passive voice. These, once you read these all are explained. These all are explained. Next, page number 75 wants to see, this is in the box. This box, this color. This is very important. See, you notice that the object of the verb in the active voice becomes the subject of the verb in the passive voice. The object of the verb in active voice becomes the subject of the verb. Here, the subject. This object comes in place of subject. This object comes in place of subject. That is first rule. The subject of the verb in active voice. The subject of the verb in active voice becomes the object of the preposition by in the passive voice. The object of the preposition by in the passive voice. That is second one. Next, the verb in the active voice is changed into passive form. The verb in the active voice is changed into passive form. For example, the V2 form in the active voice is changed into B plus V3 form. B plus V3 form, suppose the active voice, suppose here V2 form sent, V2 form is sent. This V2 form will be changed into V3 form, send and sent also, send V3 form. V2 form and V3 form both are same. Sir, how can we identify this is V3 form and this is V2 form? V2 form, before you cannot find any helping verb. Past tense helping verb or present tense helping verb. Past tense helping verb or present tense helping verb you cannot find in before V2 form. Before V2 form you cannot find. V3 form, see, is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had. If you find these helping verbs before one sentence, I mean before the verb V3 form, this you can identify that this is V3 form. V3 form, before there must be a helping verb. There must be a helping verb. Without helping verb V3 form, we cannot consider this is V3 form. If there is no helping verb, obviously it will be V2 form. B plus ing, this is B form or helping verb. B forms are helping verbs. B forms are helping verbs. B plus V3 form. B plus V3 form in passive voice. Wrote became was written. Suppose sent here was will come. See, suppose wrote, she wrote him not. Take this example. She sent him. Was plus V3 form. See here, sent change into was sent. Write change into wrote change into was written. Was written. That's what he gave. Wrote become was written. Next, V1 means the root form of the verb. V1 means the root form, base form of the verb. V2 is the past tense. V2 is the past tense form of the verb. V3 is the past participle. V3 is the past participle. Suppose take an example. Go is V1 form. Went is V2 form. That means V2 form past tense. Gone is V3 form. This is past participle. That is past participle, not future tense. Future tense, not, only past participle from the verb. Example, walk is V1 form. Walked, V2 form. V3 is walked. V2 and V2 forms are same. How can you identify this is V3 form? V3 form before must be B plus V3 form should be given in every passive voice. I told page number 75 you have to complete these 10 before I told to complete 5. How many of you completed? Most of the students they did not complete. They didn't keep in. I have doubt that whether you are watching videos or not. Page number 76, writing, paragraph writing. In the lesson you have read that Ramu uses a jute bag to carry vegetables. He never uses plastic bags. Plastics cause a lot of problems to us. Now write a paragraph about the hazards. Hazards means problems caused by plastics. You can use the following hints. Plastics pollute environment, block drainage, burn, cause disease, stop rainwater, sheep, animals eat, die, pollute water resources. These hints, based on these hints, using these hints you have to write paragraph. At least write down 5 or 6 lines paragraph. Picture based story writing. Paragraph writing, picture based story writing. Look at the picture and develop a story by using the hints given in the box. Give a suitable title to the story. Give a suitable title. The beginning of the story has been given. Write in your notebook. This one write in your notebook. Rainy day, bullock carts, market, mud, stuck, beat, bullocks, no use, helpless, prayed, hangman, came, helped, push, move on. Using these hints, you have to write one paragraph. This once a farmer had a bullock cart. One day he was driving his bullock cart to the market. You have to start like this in your CW. Talk time. Talking time. Read the following sentence. Uncle, you should use jute bags. You shouldn't use polythene bags. You should keep your purse carefully. You shouldn't be careless. We use such sentence while giving advice to somebody. Observe the following pictures. Should wear a helmet. Shouldn't drive at high speed. Should not use cell phone while driving. Should not jump the signal. You should follow the traffic rules. Like this, you have frame sentence. Write sentences of giving advices using the above clues. You can add some more bits of advice of your own. You should wear a helmet. You should not jump signal. You should not cross the signal while traffic light is red. Find the suitable advice to the problems and match them. This is homework to you children. You should finish. Next discuss remaining tomorrow's class. Children, you should complete everything, and active voice, passive voice you have to concentrate. If not, if you can't do, send through WhatsApp. I will solve it. Any doubt, send me. If you want to take, open the dictionary and see. And if you want to take help from your parents, take their help and complete active voice, passive voice, and what I have given homework in this video complete, and CWs complete, and what is that material is given. Material also you have to complete as early as possible. All columns you have to, all lessons you have to finish. Thank you children. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Until then, bye.